The railway dogs of Germiston Depot feel something important is about to happen. Now here comes our cook, or chef if you like. Pete is actually a driver and he's going to show us how to make a South African delicacy straight on the footplate.
We've got some T-bone steaks here. Yeah, for breakfast, ne? Alright, now we'll put it in the firebox. So hopefully it will come nice out. Yeah, it's cooking now. Yeah, we can put some spices on.
Smells nice already.
Yeah, so nice. Now we have something to eat. Drying on the footplate, yeah, it's hot business and it makes you sweat. But after all, it's worth it and it's nice to be on a footplate. And that's well done. It's coming up now. Have a piece of meat and some rolls and maybe some coffee. Alright, our T-bone steak is ready to eat.
And it smells nice.
Very nice. I did fry this meat in the firebox. And that's very, very nice. What else can I say?
And the doggy is waiting for his share too, for some bones.
With his stomach full, Pete grabs the regulator of Class 25NC and takes us on a trip down memory lane, to the magnificent town of Bela, or rather Wormbad. Pete briefly stops at Pretoria Station, where he picks up more passengers. Pete's fireman is Flip, and he takes over the cooking shovel to show his skill in frying the famous South African sausage. With a sulfuric aroma from coal, it should taste good.
Lekker boerewors. Hang die man niet zo.
I say this is the work of a driver and a fireman. The fireman must cook the wors. He must satisfy the driver, or else the driver won't help him nowhere. So cheers on the wors. Cheers.
Baie lekker. Baie lekker. That's one thing from a steam. You can cook meat, can cook meals here, can make coffee, no problem.